I got an '07 to 13. This is 2500 GMC Sierra. The customer brought it over for me to do an install on the radios. So I'm gonna basically show you how I did it. So I'm gonna link this harness below, how to get that. And I wanted to kind of mention the reason I got this one. I did a pop test, basically test and see if the speaker's working or not, because I know that it doesn't have an amplifier system. So if you look at right here, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, it should be a white wire right there on the 6, not this one. This is yellow, and that's an amp turn on, as you can see right there. If you got a built-in Bose amp, you need to hook this up to the blue and white. So everything else hook up the same, yellow, green, black, and everything except this red wire. I ran it to here because I'm using the cheaper harness. And this is a trick that I usually don't show it. And here you gonna look at the BCM. You see that brown wire right there? See that brown wire? I hooked that wire, which is I use a fuse right there. Don't worry about the green and white. The brown wire is only in the green plug. I don't know exactly what pin that is, but it is a brown wire. That's an accessory right there. And when you turn the key on, it's supposed to give you accessory. So it's not over here. All of this are 12 volt constant, meaning it's gonna stay on 12 volt, and you can't use that this thing right here over here, the fuse over here. You can go in over there to the fuse box out front, but I'm not gonna do that since I know exactly what to do with this Sierra. And I use a speaker. On this case right here, both of the speakers are bad. So that's why I use this speaker right here to test, see if it's got an output. You know, if you hook it up, there's no sound. There's only two possible ways. It's got a built-in amp. You have to power it up with the blue and white remote from here, which is this blue and white. And then the mounting bracket, I'm using 99 3305 because this is a single den. Now, if you have a double den, you're gonna need 95 3305. And the harness is 70 2105. You can buy that from if you don't want to spend a couple $100 on that. And then I use the antenna adapter right there. It's right here. I link that below. So just another case is that if you're gonna use this double den like this or anything, you're gonna have to cut this out right here using whatever you can use a flathead and break this piece. You're okay, or you can just hammer it down. I use the oscillating tool. I cut that around to get it going. But this is how I did an install for that GMC.